The F7 was the fourth model in EMD's successful line of F-unit locomotives, and by far the best-selling cab unit of all time. The F7 is a 115-ton diesel-electric locomotive produced between February 1949 and December 1953. 3,856 F7s were built, which was more than all other F units combined. The model was easy to maintain and very reliable. Coupled with a matching 1,500 horsepower 16-cylinder 567B cabless B unit, a set of F7s could double a train's horsepower to 3,000 horsepower. Although built for use in freight service, the clean, streamlined design placed many F7s into passenger service.